up a business on an automated platform would take any less than an hour. I'd expect it to be a full day's work. That was until I tried Zway. My name is Molly and I work as an apprentice at Zway. When I first joined, I learned that the Zway platform was designed for small businesses, automating any part of their business in seconds. Frankly, I doubted that was possible, but it was a nice soundbite. Here's my story on how I set up my new enterprise I call Molly's Shoes on Zway. My dream would be to one day have my own business designing and selling high quality shoes that are fashion forward and comfortable. So I thought I'd set it up on Zway and see how long it would take me to get up and running. First, I picked one of those get a free trial links from the Zway website. I wouldn't want to pay for something straight off the bat if I didn't think it was 100% going to work for me. But Zway didn't even ask me for my card details at this stage, which I liked. All I had to do was add some very basic information and they sent me a link to get started. The email link took me straight to a user activation page where I set up passwords and a security question just for good measure. And just like that, I'm on the platform ready to start the important parts of putting in the information to get this business out there. Just as easy as signing up, or possibly easier, was the importing of information. I thought at this stage I'd be flustered, not knowing where to start or what information needed to be where in order for my business to run smoothly. Lucky enough, on the home dashboard was a widget that led me through all the steps I needed to set up. The first step was to add all my other colleagues. This was as simple as clicking the yellow Add New button, who'd have thought. Within seconds of popping in the details of my trusted business partners, the task was done and we were on to the next. Adding more company details? Easy. I added the logo of my company and address for our main site and all the other little bits and pieces needed. I moved on to adding my own financial year. As the default on Zway is set to January 1st to December 31st, I didn't see any need to change this, so that was another step completed in less than a minute. Next was to add some more personal information, like my home address and some emergency contact details, which is always helpful to have just in case. After this, the next step was to administrate who could see what on the platform, setting up different permissions. There are some things you want to keep personal within a business, and this secure platform allowed me to grant and deny access to the different parts of information if I so wished. One of my worst habits is that I'm always forgetting things, which is why I found the calendar function in Zway very helpful. I can have all my meetings with the design boards or any important dates all in one place where I need them, so now I have no reason to get things and nothing overlaps. I'm never double booking myself and feeling lost for time. One of the final steps in the initial journey in Zway was to add company and personal sales targets. Personally, I found this one of the most important features, having a clear set target as a goal to work towards and excited to reach, especially when you're just starting up. After these initial steps, I went into my CRM application and was able to add all the business contacts that I had, different companies and clients. All I had to do was click on the import file icon on the top right hand side and select the spreadsheet that Zway had provided and that I had filled out. As quickly as that, Zway had uploaded all my business contacts in one place, ready for when I needed them. Importing all the details of the products I sell was easier than I thought, and as simple as importing the contact information. Zway provided a formatted spreadsheet that I filled out the information on, and then all I had to do was upload this to the Zway platform using the import file icon, and that was it. All my product details were on the system. And there we go. Pretty much just like that, I was ready to start getting my shoes into production, out the doors, and to customers. In way less than an hour, I was set up on Zway. That proved my initial thoughts wrong.